We already know that sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, sine 45 degree is 1 by square root 2, and so on. Let us see if we find some pattern here. We can write 0 as square root 0 by 4, sine 30 degree 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 can be written as square root 1 by 4, 1 by square root 2 can be written as 2 by 4, square root 2 by 4, under root 3 by 2 same as square root 3 by 4. 1 can be written as square root 4 by 4. So we see there is a pattern. The value is increasing from square root 0 by 4 to square root 4 by 4, and denominator is same, 4 in every case, and the numerator is increasing from 0 to 4. And we also know that cos theta is sine 90 minus theta. So from same we can derive the value of cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, and so on. So cos 0 degree will be same as sin 90 degree. So this will be cos 0 degree. Here it will be cos 30 degree. Sin 45, cos 45 will be same as per formula. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So that will be cos 45 degree. This will be cos 60 degree, and cos 0 degree is same as cos 90 degree. So for cos 0 to cos 90, you see there is a pattern that is decreasing from square root 4 by 4 to square root 0 by 4. Let us build a table for these values. Only we need to know the trigonometric ratio for the sine, then we can derive the value for cos and tan, everything. Yeah, so sine theta, we know this value is increasing from square root 0 by 4 to square root 4 by 4. So we can simply write root 0 by 4, square root 1 by 4, square root 2 by 4, square root 3 by 4, and square root 4 by 4. And cos theta, since we know the sin theta, we can easily find out the value for cos theta. In this case we already discussed cos theta value is decreasing by 4 by 4 to square root 0 by 4. So we can write square root 4 by 4, square root 3 by 4, square root 2 by 4, square root 1 by 4, and square root 0 by 4. Tan theta, we know that sin theta by cos theta. So from above 2 we can derive the tan theta. So it will be 0, 1 by under root 3, 1 under root 3, and this will be division by 0 tan 90 degree, so that is not defined. So we learn that we don't need to remember the value for the different trigonometric ratio of the angle. We just know the pattern, we just learn the pattern from 0 by 4 to square root 4 by 4 for sin theta, and once we know the sin theta, we can derive the value for cos theta and tan theta. Thank you.